Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you on how to manage notifications in the Viber app on your phone. If you want to control which alerts you receive and avoid unnecessary interruptions, this video will show you exactly how to customize your notification settings easily and effectively. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, tap on More located at the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu, select Settings. Then, in the Settings section, tap on Notifications. Here, you will see different categories of notifications you can control. These include alerts such as when a contact joins Viber, birthday notifications from your contacts, and notifications about comments. You can simply toggle off any of these notifications that you do not want to receive. This helps reduce clutter and ensures you only get the alerts that matter most to you. Finally, after adjusting the settings to your preference, you can exit the menu. Your Viber app will now follow your customized notification rules, improving your overall experience by keeping distractions to a minimum. Thank you for watching.